My name's Scott Mank. I'm from Lebanon, Illinois. I've been a career insurance agent / manager. I've been doing it since 1982. Enjoyed both sides of it. I've been successful on both sides as an agent and also as a manager. And literally came right out of college and decided I was to make it in life. I found out that first insurance was the way I wanted to go because about 80% of the money through the country flows through insurance companies. So I thought, well, that might be the best way to go. So I went there, but I found out it was more than that. It was just helping people. And then I found out really quickly coming out of college that I love the idea of course, helping people, but then it went beyond that. As a manager, I was helping people taking advantage of an opportunity. And that was really important to me, and that's what I really love to do. What was really interesting is why I left was I really got tired of the corporate side. It seemed like every time I would go three steps forward, I was kicked back about 1 or 2 steps back. And so I think what was the last resort was we had contract situations where it didn't go real well with the contracts, and I knew that this just wasn't right for me no more because I never really controlled my destiny. So I looked around, I checked all the companies, I really did my research, and I found Symmetry. And Symmetry was interesting. What really helped me was meeting a couple of the leaders. And I thought, you know what, this is for me, this is gonna be my fit. And I did, I jumped in and stayed focused, and I'm here today. I talk about this all the time. When I found out that we had 2 conferences here, I just went, oh no. I mean, because I'm used to conferences. And unfortunately, in my situation, when I was in corporate, we went to I just didn't like going to conferences because when I went there, you act as if you want to help others, but you held your information close to your vest because you were always competing with everybody. Everybody was trying to be nice, but we all competed against each other. Where I found here, when I went to my first conference, it was totally different. Everybody was here to help. Everybody helps, whether you're on that team or not. Everybody's willing to help. And that was strange for me, I'll be honest with you, because I'm not used to that. Even it took me a while. And so at this point, when I talk to my new agents, whether I'm just hiring them, whether I'm training them, they know that I'm very transparent, that I'm going to be very upfront with them, very honest. They know they're going to get the training that I've told them they're going to get. And I enjoy that because what's nice about here is I own my agency. That's the key, where I'm not working for an agency where if I walk away, I don't have anything. So it's important to me to make sure that I'm very upfront with folks, letting them know that I'm doing the right thing and that I'm doing it because it's my agency and I want to show the values of my agency that I have through Symmetry. And so when people ask me, Scott, how do you do it? How do you talk to people or how do you bring another person on? It's just being truly passionate about what you do. I don't talk to folks and just say, hey, this is a great business, you ought to try it. I really am passionate, and I spent a long time talking to folks and really talking about Symmetry because I truly believe this is a very, very good company. I've been in the business since 1982. I pretty well know everything and anything about all the insurance companies out there, and I truly have never run anything like this. And like I said before with the conferences, when I found out there was 2 of them, since I've been going, I can't wait to come to them. I mean, I look forward to them. So that's what's important. I've been in insurance for a long, long time, and this is the best thing I've ever seen as far as a structure. It's probably the best because I can tell you right now what I've done in a year and a half would literally take me 5 to 6, 7 years in a corporate situation. Yep, there's no doubt. The lead structure that we have right here is bar none the best I've ever seen. So when you're able to have leads that are very good like we have, and if you work them the way Symmetry tells you to do, and it works, believe me, I'm proof. I did exactly what they said, that if you work these leads, you will get in front of enough people and make a very, very good living here. There's just no doubt about it.